Hey, what's going on, y'all? I wanted to take this opportunity to install and run a ISR 370Z single on the car, just because I got it for, you know, a really good price, and just wanted to pretty much do an exhaust video. I will be selling it afterwards, so I'm not really planning to run it long time because I already have my HBP, the Sean built performance one, and I really like that one, so I'm honestly just doing it for an exhaust video. And also just trying to use the opportunity to run the Z1 wide pipe that I won at Z Nationals a few years ago, so shout out to them. Okay, so you know, before ISR made the G37 version, people were originally running like 370Z and 350Z versions of this on their car, and because the Z's were shorter than the G's, you know, you got to extend it. So the previous owner had this fitted on his sedan, so I'm just gonna show you what this particular person did. So welded an extension here, right, roughly 11 inches, and then welded another extension here. This is roughly, we'll say 11. What was 11? I think the last time I measured this at 12, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is 12. So that's 25 inches of extension that they added, right? My Hall built performance one is already made for a sedan, so the length is correct. So you can kind of see relatively where, you know, how it sits. So, I mean, if I, here. So, you know, if you get like a 370Z Tome, to make it fit on a sedan, most people at a minimum use a 16-inch extension. So as you can see, you can go up to a 25, 26 if needed. For reference, my HBP exhaust pretty much comes out to like right here, right? And then, you know, relatively, this is lined up at the hanger, so you can kind of see, you know, how much it comes out. I mean, I would say roughly like 3 to 4 inches. So the amount of extensions that you use determines like how far the muffler comes out past the bumper, right? So that's all personal preference. The Z also has different hanger locations. You can kind of tell the hanger locations here were cut off. This one was welded on, so those go to this hanger right there towards the back. This hanger was added on, and that location goes to right there. There's a bolt hole, so I had this bolt going through that bushing. And then there's one more hanger, and it's a mid-section hanger. It's right there. There's no hanger towards the wide pipe, so that's 3 main hangers for the exhaust. I think that's pretty much it if you're trying to make a 370Z exhaust single fit on a G Coupe or sedan. Trying to think. I think that's pretty much it. I think that covers everything. All right, I guess I'll put everything on. I'll do a quick startup, and then I'll do a separate exhaust video for the ISR single. So I feel like that would just make it easier for me. But yeah, I'll let me have everything installed, and then my wife is doing bunny ears on me. What you call it? I'm losing my train of thought. But yeah, let me just go ahead and put everything on the car, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I ran into an issue that I completely forgot. So I run the Raceworks diff brace, and I forgot that the 370Z ISR will not clear the diff brace. So that's something for those of you who are considering a diff brace. You know, especially this one, there's a lot of exhausts that don't clear it. So I'm gonna have to remove that. I have a FDF one I'm gonna install, but because I need to remove the toe bolts to install it. I don't want to deal with having to go get an alignment at the moment, so I'm gonna put that on hold, take off the diff brace, and then just install the exhaust for now. But yeah, I completely forgot about that. All right, ran into another problem. The ISR for the 370Z, because of how it routes on the right side of the diff, does not clear my Z1 diff cover. So I took off the Bell Raceworks diff brace. Now I can't install it because it's contacting the last few fins on the right side of the diff cover. So in the end, this is all a waste of time for me. So yeah, sorry guys, I can't do exhaust video on this. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. So yeah, that's it. Thanks guys.